This $100 took me just 1 hour to earn. And no, I didn't sell my kidneys. 2 months ago, I was this close to dropping out, broke, overworked, and barely hanging onto my grades. Then I came across these 9 online jobs. Number 5 pays $50 per hour, and the best part, you can start today. But first, why do 97% of students miss out on these golden opportunities? Let's be real, finding an online job as a college student feels like digging for treasure with a spoon. I tried over 50 different gigs online before landing on these 9 legit ones. And let me tell you, most were straight up trash. Scams, dead ends, or jobs that paid less than minimum wage. Why does this keep happening? Because fake jobs looks real, right? They are designed to target students who need flexible work. They promise easy cash, low effort, and no experience. Then either waste your time, charge hidden fees, or worse, steal your personal info. So let me save you some pain up front. Here is how to spot the scams. Real jobs don't ask for money up front. If they need you to pay to get started or access training, walk away. Watch for vague job descriptions. If you don't know what you'll be doing or what you get paid, it's probably shady. And of course, if it sounds way too good to be true, it is. There's no secret website paying $500 a day for liking photos. Okay, rant over. You came here for 9 legit online jobs that actually work for college students, and I've got you covered. Let's break them down. 1. Freelance writing. If you have got away with words or even just know how to follow instructions, freelance writing is a solid gig. Websites, blogs, social media pages, they all need content. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger are great places to find writing gigs. Rates start small, sure, but as you build a portfolio, you can easily make $20 to $100 per article. Bonus tip, AI tools can help you outline or speed up your writing, but never submit something completely AI written. Add your voice to it. 2. Online tutoring. You don't need to be a genius, just better than someone else at a subject. Sites like Check Tutors, Tutor Me, or Wizards let you teach subjects you already know. Math, English, chemistry, even test prep. You can earn $15 to $30 per hour or more. And if you are bilingual, tutoring English to international students can pay even better. 3. Virtual assistant. Think of this as being someone's right-hand person, but online. You might handle emails, schedule meetings, manage calendars, or do live social media posting. No fancy degree required, just decent communication and reliability. VA gigs pay anywhere from $12 to $35 per hour, depending on experience. Check out Bele, Zashua, or even post your services on Fiverr. 4. Selling digital products. This one is passive once it's set up. You can sell printables, templates, or even Notion dashboards on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Students are selling study guides, budget planners, resumes, things they have already created. Design owns, lease it, and get paid every time someone downloads it. You might take time to build traction, but some students are making a few hundred a month without lifting a finger after the first upload. If you are getting value so far, make sure to follow me on all social media platforms. The links are down in the description. I'm going to be hosting a live class really soon where I go even deeper into finding legit online jobs, how to avoid scams, and how to start making money fast, even as a full-time student. If that sounds like something you need, drop a class in the comments so I know you are in. And again, all the links to connect with me are right below this video. Let's keep leveling up together. Alright, now let's talk about job number 5, the one that pays $50 an hour. 5. Website testing pays up to $50 per hour. Yes, this is the one I mentioned earlier. Companies need real people to test out websites and apps. You click around, record your screen, and give honest feedback. Super simple, and it pays surprisingly well. Sites like User Testing, TryMatter, and Respondent.io can pay $10 to $50 per test, depending on complexity. Tests usually take 10 to 30 minutes, and you don't need any experience to get started. 6. Social media management. Love TikTok or Instagram? Great, so do small businesses. But most of them have no idea how to grow on those platforms. You can offer services like creating posts, replying to DMs, or scheduling content. Start with local businesses or student-run brands. Build up a couple of examples and then pitch yourself to others. Many small businesses will gladly pay $300 to $800 a month for basic help. 7. Transcription work. Got good ears and decent typing speed? Transcription might be your thing. You listen to audio like podcasts or interviews and type out what is being said. Sites like Rev, TranscribeMe, or Scribe hires beginners. Pay ranges from $0.30 to $1 per audio minute, and with practice, you can earn $15 to $25 per hour. Not glamorous, but perfect if you like working in silence or zoning out with headphones. 8. Affiliate marketing. This one takes longer to build, but it's worth it. You promote products through your content like YouTube, TikTok, a blog, or even just your Instagram story, and earn a commission when people buy through your link. Start with platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or affiliate programs for tools you already use. It's slow at first, but with consistency, affiliate income can stack up. Pro tip: only promote stuff you actually believe in. Your audience will smell fake energy a mile away. 9. Customer service chat support. Remote customer support jobs are everywhere, and many are hiring students for flexible shifts. You will be answering questions via live chat or email. No phone calls required in most cases. Companies like LiveOps, Arise, or Most Squared hire remote agents. Pay ranges from $12 to $20 per hour, and you usually just need a stable internet connection and decent grammar. So what should you do next? Here is my advice. Start with one job that matches your current skills. Don't try all 9 at once. It's overwhelming. Then, as you build confidence and a little income, branch out or scale up. You will be surprised how quickly $50 can turn into $500 a week if you stay consistent. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start, because the truth is, college isn't getting cheaper, and waiting around for the right opportunity, that is just another way to stay broke. So if you have been sitting there wondering how to earn money online without getting scammed, this is your sign to take action. Let's wrap this up. There are legit ways to make money online as a college student, ones that don't require a huge investment or insane skills. But you have got to be smart, skeptical of anything that sounds magical, and willing to actually do the work. Start small, test things out, and remember, your future rich self is going to thank you for not ignoring this video. If this helped you out, hit that like button, share it with a broke college friend, and subscribe for more real talk on making money online. Got questions about any of these jobs? Drop them in the comments. I respond as many as I can. Let's get that bag, and you welcome.